Vodafone Idea shares can go up to 8 rupees or even 10 rupees according to CLSA and Citi respectively. Citi said that completion of a pending debt raise remains the key to improve the momentum further. However, Motilal Oswal has a sell recommendation on the stock with a 6.5 rupees price target. Watch out for Aptus Value Housing and Zinca Logistics on account of their respective block deals. In fact, Zinca Logistics had recently had its shareholder lock-in period end, post which this block deal has been announced. Torrent Power has signed a long-term sales and purchase agreement with BP Singapore to procure 0.41 million metric tons per annum of LNG between 2027 to 2036. The move will also support the company's city gas distribution arm. Now, Glenmark Pharma has announced that its ISB 2001, which is being tested for treatment of multiple myeloma, has shown high efficacy among patients during the recent trials. The company said that a deal for 2001 will be transformational for them. Biocon has received approval in India for its diabetic drug liraglutide, and although it's a positive, analysts believe that there are bigger drugs in this GLP-1 space such as semaglutide. Now, Emphasis, which fell yesterday on reports of losing FedEx as a client, clarified to the exchanges that FedEx remains a client and that they stand by the outlook that they have shared in their recent earnings call. Yes Bank is also in the spotlight today ahead of its board meeting to raise funds. The stock was up 8% on Monday. Man Industries has raised 300 crore rupees through a preferential issue of convertible warrants and equity shares to investors like Ashish Kacholia, who has invested 30 crore rupees in this issue. Morgan Stanley has initiated coverage on Swiggy with an overweight recommendation and a price target of 405 rupees, which is marginally above its IPO price of 390 and implies a 22% upside from current levels. And Manappuram Finance continues to remain in the F&O ban.